developers at the Empire State decided to proceed with their project, fearing the even greater losses that would come with cancellation. Starting in 1930 and completing in just 14 months, the skyscraper set new records, becoming the tallest structure ever built, the first building to surpass 100 stories, and housing the world's fastest elevators of the day, an innovative installation by Otis that made the building's immense height viable. Though it's since been eclipsed by dozens of taller structures, the Empire State Building's form and observation decks, along with countless appearances across popular culture, have retained its status as one of the world's most famous buildings. Today, 90 years after its arrival on the skyline, the Empire State Building is a global leader in sustainability and energy efficiency. After a decade-long project to upgrade, the building has improved efficiency, retrofitted interiors, and overhauled.
Eclipse, eclipse, eclipse.